Hi, Luke Sessa from the H.H. Brown Working Outdoor Group. Our brands include Carolina, Double H, Matterhorn, Corcoran, and Phantom Rider. We're here on the floor of our factory in Martinsburg, Pennsylvania, where we are still making boots here at home and still making American-made boots as we have for over 70 years. We have not moved all of our production overseas to China or over to Mexico. Now, challenges over the past several years have caused us to make some adjustments. We've had to prioritize a lot of our top-selling styles over some of the less performing styles, but we are making as many pairs as we can each and every week. Also, as we've been doing for decades, we do import shoes from all over the world, places like Asia and Mexico. This allows us to have a wide variety of different styles and looks for your various different work needs. If American made is what you're looking for and you want to be sure your boots were made here, just look for the American flag. All the boots we make here in Pennsylvania feature an American flag on the side and a Union label on the inside. They're also packed in unmistakable boxes featuring our great flag. Oh, and about the global parts. Sometimes we need to buy components from other countries, but rest assured, our boots are made here by these fine workers. So even though our lines do include styles that we import from other countries, we will continue to make boots here and offer unique quality footwear for every job, every worker, and every personal preference that each of you have. None of this would be possible without your continued support, and for that, we thank you.